October 8, 2021, the crescent moon approaches Venus in the western sky this evening, leading up to tomorrow's close grouping of Venus, the crescent moon, and the three stars of the Scorpion's head. Chart caption: 2021, October 8, the moon moves in toward Venus for close grouping with the head of Scorpius. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:55 a.m. CDT, sunset, 6:20 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. At 45 minutes after sunset, look for brilliant Venus and the crescent moon, 9% illuminated, in the southwestern sky after sunset. Venus is 1.3 degrees to the lower right of Chubba, the forehead of the Scorpion. Tomorrow evening, Venus, the crescent moon, and the three stars of the Scorpion's head, Graphias, Chubba, Pi Scorpii, Pi Sco on the chart, fit into a binocular field of view. This does not occur again until October 10, 2029. The rarity of this event is affected by the separation of the three stars. They span about 6.5 degrees, over 90% of a binocular's field of view. They are a stationary target for the moon and planets to move through. For example, during bright morning twilight on December 14, 2028, the moon is to the upper left of Pi Sco, but Venus is 4.2 degrees to the upper right of Graphias, too far away to fit into the field of view with the three stars and the moon. The moon is near the trio of stars each month. Venus passes at least yearly. The combination of Venus and the moon with the three stars is a rarity. At this hour, look low in the southeastern sky for bright Jupiter and Saturn. Detailed daily note: the moon is at perigee at 12:28 p.m. CDT, 225,797.4 miles away. 45 minutes after sunset, Venus is over 9 degrees up in the southwest, 1.3 degrees to the lower right of Chubba and 8.5 degrees to the lower right of Antares. The moon, 2.5D, 9%, 7.0 degrees up in the west-southwest, is 11.8 degrees to the lower right of Venus. Tomorrow evening, Venus, the moon, Graphias, Beta Sco, m equals 2.5, Chubba, and Pi Scorpii, Pi Sco, m equals 2.9, fit into a binocular field. This is an infrequent event. See tomorrow's note for more details. At this hour, bright Jupiter is nearly 25 degrees up in the southeast. Saturn, over 26 degrees up in the south-southeast, is 15.5 degrees to the right of Jupiter. 2 hours after sunset, use a binocular to spot the sidereal backdrop with the giant planets. Jupiter, over 31 degrees up in the south-southeast, is 3.7 degrees to the lower right of Mu Cap, 1.9 degrees to the upper right of Deneb Algedi, and 1.4 degrees to the upper left of Nishira. Saturn, about 29 degrees up in the south and slightly west of the meridian, is 1.5 degrees to the lower right of Upsilon Cap. Both giant planets are retrograding in Capricornus, although Saturn's westward trek is very slow. The ringed wonder ends its retrograde in 2 evenings to begin its direct motion.